Hey everyone, it's Michael here from GoodEreader.com. PocketBook has just announced two new e-readers that are sure to get your attention. The e-readers have gotten a lot of positive press on our website, GoodEreader.com, dozens upon dozens of comments. So thought I'd do a quick video just to give you an idea about what these e-readers are all about. It's the Verse and Verse Pro. These e-readers both have 6-inch screens. The Verse Pro is premium, so it has audio output, text-to-speech, IPX8, while the Verse is an affordable e-reader with an E Ink Carta touchscreen with SMARTlight. They'll be available in the next couple weeks. The Verse retails for $129, Verse Pro $169. Both of these models basically replace the Touch Lux 5 and the Touch HD 3, which are a bit longer in the tooth. The big selling points that I want to draw attention to is they both have physical page turn buttons on the bottom of the display. Bezels aren't too chunky, but it makes it easier to interact with physical buttons as opposed to taps, swipes, and gestures. So let's look at the Verse Pro. The Verse Pro features an E Ink Carta HDE paper display. It's 300 ppi. There's a SMARTlight, so it has both warm and cool lighting. Dual core processor, 512 MB of RAM, 16 gigs of internal storage, USB-C, IPX8, 1500 milliamp battery, 26 available languages for text-to-speech. It also has, because it does like via audio via USB, it doesn't have speakers or anything. It supports 6 popular formats. It's stylish. It comes in Azure and Passion Red, and this is more of a premium device. So far, with all of our e-commerce networks, this is the only model that people are buying right now. The Verse E Ink Carta display, 212 ppi. It also has the same SMARTlight, so both warm and cool lighting. Same dual core processor, 512 MB of RAM. However, it only has 8 gigs of storage, but this does have a micro SD card, which the more expensive version doesn't. So you can expand it further up to about 128 gigs of storage. It's 182 grams, 1500 milliamp battery. Both of these e-readers support a wide array of formats. They support 25 book and graphic formats, so you'll be able to read CBZ, EPUB, JPEG, PNG for files, but they support almost every major ebook format. So if you want to sideload in ebooks, you can. PocketBook also has a built-in bookstore, so you can download books or you can buy like best-selling titles directly from PocketBook. So what do you think about these two new e-readers? They look good. I mean, they don't look stellar, but considering that they're sub $200 e-readers, they're more or less platform agnostic. If you look at the competition, Barnes & Noble, Amazon, Kobo, you're pretty well locked into a book ecosystem. With PocketBook, they're a little bit more liberal in terms of being able, it's a side-loading type of device. That's where you're going to get the most value. If you download books from the internet, if you borrow them from the public library, if you buy them from Google or Kobo in EPUBs, you can sideload them on these devices. So there's a lot of flexibility for being able to have these as your primary e-reader and not be locked in anywhere. So drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about these new PocketBook e-readers. For GoodEreader.com, my name is Michael. Everybody take care.